Yeah, greetings again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see, I have to speedily address that one because some people really abuse humanity. You know, see, Spice, I see you put up a GoFundMe for Sister CHARMAINE, so when I look $20,000 for bury her or whatever when I look it for do. That coming like disgrace to the fraternity still, you know, mama. You know, see it. You know what, I try to act peacefully tune up with that one here. No disrespect. No anger. Because all I know are like children, you know. You know, see it. To me. Yeah. I mean, observe, say, the fraternity so big and amongst one another, you can't put $1,000 or $500 and make up to 20 grand. Eh? And take care of CHARMAINE thing with some dignity. Just the same way you like it apply to you, in a phone of desperation. No shame or no disgrace to Sister CHARMAINE, you know. You see, because she done give an interview and talk, say, the industry blackball her because she don't want to sleep around with all of them. You know, see, and that's true. See if I lie, that's true. Here why? The same man them where Sister CHARMAINE talk about be blood upon them hand and gas belch where the DJ them burp and fart and them sit there be gas because them yam off them money until this day. I mean, you say all particular birds broke. Good. I hope that's true. You know, see it. Or the name of the youth, the money on do and disrespect the program, mash up the industry, make it more unprofessional, not teach nobody nothing for enhance them ability and them capability for further develop the music to a standard where the music need. See? A lot of tricks and trade about the business, not teach our youth, them, you know, that's the youth, them all go foreign, go sign and know English, some little idiot contract and some little idiot class, all of them there. I don't to you know. You know, see it, I talk all of the man them come from way back come right up. Where no of them rob the youth them. Anybody will do it, any producer will do it. You know, see it, me attack from way back in the music inception. Be there eat that thing that you want to eat good food. I want to have source so you can eat good food, because even if they sell them property there. Back in them time, they have good money that they get fee. So you could make the man them feel comfortable and not only feel comfortable, knowledgeable. And what the process is. You know, see it. I want to sit down and make the woman go down in that indignified way. I she never want to sleep around with, you know. Eh? Yeah, I want to show back something in the kitty man and contribute back something to the music. You see it? Because Sister CHARMAINE an international artist, you know. And GoFundMe up on the internet for bury her. How you feel that I look to other people? How you think other people will look upon Uno? You know, see it? Tell us something with Uno. You come like say Uno just see for Uno needs. You don't see nobody else needs. You know, see it? From when you reach on a certain stage and thing like that is like, you know, just consider yourself different or probably superior. You know, see it? And again, with this attention-seeking business, Mama Spice, I'm not telling you, attention-seeking that man. You know, see it? I better, no, come out and say you try. You know, see it? You make advance to the artists them in regards to the mama and to Sister CHARMAINE and none of them, nothing is forthcoming, so now you have to turn to the public. You know, see it? You should keep this within the fraternity Rasta. And you know, and I hear that thing that star, I heard for see them thing upon the media. You know, see it? 20 grand? Eh? I bury when I look money for bury Sister CHARMAINE DJ and singers of Jamaica, reggae music and dancehall. The public when I ask for money for bury the legend. Yo, you know, wicked and disgusting. I'm not telling no lie, man. How can I eat that dirty business that, man? Eh? You know what I mean? On the self no good. You know, see? Because come like you don't even know where character and class and them think them mean or how them think they benefit in the long run. At the same way, treat people the same way people psychologically reading up and know say the same level of expectation and have for themselves, at the same reception and our take in regards to certain things. You know, see it? And at them little cheap dirty presentation that they make to you. You know, see it? And stick to them guns too. You know, see it? 20 grand, eh? Them all have said, I see him, hence the rumor where them say Spice get 10 grand for go up and love and hip hop. I hope at the first season or the first episode alone. That can be the possibility. Spice, please come out and say that was for the first episode alone. As a trial run. No things different. And you sign confidentiality clause where you can't talk about it. Come out and say that no, Spice. Please. You get what I say? Because this, like, them argument they can't even hold water. You see? Them talk they make all me shame. You see? When me hear people say that about our artists them and them like a cheap thing there. You see? Yeah. That's why I have to brush when I brush You see it and running from side of me and putting it on a place I'm gonna go. And then a rich, dirty, moralless self. Attention seeking, spoiled child where I come from. Nothing. You see it? I claim so I want to reach on top and reach somewhere and I want to figure out the rest of man them do the same thing as Uno and come back down broke to nothing. You see, I'm not going to say Shabba broke. I'm not say Shabba broke. But you see, when you see the heights where Shabba they depend in and one talk, the boy then draw the carpet from out under Shabba foot. Voop. So someone will just go on. Someone will just go on. Can't love attention no. No, attention out the more now and the whole thing that no. So this grace come out faster and spread quicker and stay in the domain more. Longer too. You see? So the go on within the stupidity. More no kind of idiot thing that. Big disrespectful thing that I better if I could never call up some. I could never go sing some dub plate. I could never do a month with a dub plate then. And just know say, yo, we are organized and do this for the boy, I'm telling you say on disrespectful no bumbo clot, you know. I idiot thing that you do, you know. That thing that is the spice. I'm not telling a lie. You know, see, that thing that you can take care of that. I don't need no, that. Look how much I want to show off and the same get a youth them want to come from among to see them get a girl them and the same get a boy them because them alone can mag upon. Like I always reiterate. You get what I say? And them alone can mag upon. Get a people. I want to feel pleased and proud about it on yourself. You know, see it? I mag upon people who put on there. Because I don't mag for them. I don't mag for people who can buy the things them want to wear. You see? Because some suit I'm soon have and some brand I'm soon wear can build a house for your old lady in a get where you come from. One of you suit, one wear. You see it? And the wickedest thing on a craft now and a long for it. You see it? Because of the attitude and because of the indignity we want to deal with the craft with. You see it? Nobody now got to respect you know. How can I hear that bow business that? Yo, regardless of how, because I now blame you in a spice. Because if you broke, that bad and that alone you can't do, me understand. You know see? And it look like say you reach out to the other artists them and the whole on. You know see it? You reach out to every producer and everybody right across the fraternity and make them know say boom, we need to try a thing, you know. See? And 100,000 US on did need. I want to get 80. I want to put 80 together and now I need 20. I must that, you know. You know, see, I must that, man. And even so, kind of thing that, man, go fund me for Sister Charmaine. I want to do about Maca Diamond when Maca Diamond time come. I want to do. I want to just burn her. Bye. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe.